So this is probably going to be on some upcoming build videos I wanted to show you guys. We got a 93 Chevy Scrub Body S10. It's been lowered before, if you can tell by the picture up here in the corner. And I probably used the picture as the thumbnail too. I sold the rims off of it. It had 8-inch Corvette Wowies. And they wouldn't tuck. I plan on bagging this truck. And they just stuck out a little bit past the fender wall, and as you can see, it was causing issues. Now the ride quality on this truck, they isn't one. The springs have been cut way too much. Probably can about pull them out. You can see they are moving. They're non-existent. Stock factory shocks too. We'll go around on this side. It has one leaf. When this truck is sitting on the ground, it sets on the bump stops. Those need cut off for any ride quality at all. It's got lowering blocks. Now, all this will be done away with. I will actually take and full-link this and C-notch this truck and put it on air ride in upcoming videos if my mind doesn't change. We will need to strip the hood down or buy a hood. This one's rusty. The whole truck was stripped down and it needs some loving. I think it's been with a disc, but we can show it some love. It's a 2.8 5-speed. The engine's untouched, still factory, has factory code AC and heat. Now, I did have a problem with the AC that I am working on. This is the inside, don't mind the steering wheel. But the vents don't change. I got all this out trying to get to this. I had this out the other day. But the vacuum lines is off the back of the switch, so it can't change the blend doors. We will get on that shortly. We will try to fix that shortly. Does that part. It's got a CD player in it. As you can see, it's hanging up. It's a 5-speed 2.8 truck. Does need door bushings too. Gonna be a how-to video on that. Be lots of how-to videos coming soon on this truck. That's the grill. Might do something different with that. We'll definitely do something with the front bumper. Fenders are pretty solid from what I can tell. A little surface rust, but might take them off, sandblast them, or strip them. The doors, I think it got a little rust. I ain't 100% on that. Does need cab corners, be a how-to video on that. The bed has some rust. Easy to take care of. New bed or bedsides. Ain't worried about it. Tailgate actually looks pretty decent besides a few little dings. But all in all, the truck runs and drives good. It has no suspension on it, so it rides like shit though, but it drives good. We will fix that with a 4-link air-ride suspension, C-notch in the back, drop spindles in the front, 2500 series bags in the front. Might go 2600 if I can fit them. Definitely get the biggest bags I can run on the back for better ride quality. And if mine don't change on my air, suspension and stuff will be mounted under the bed. I won't be able to get away not cutting my floor because of my C-notch. About positive I won't. But if I can, because I did a few of these trucks and I always want to try to, I will, but I highly doubt it because I usually run my double bars from my bags from my rear end across the C-notch. Usually. And then I'm doing a 4-link, so yeah, but they all kinds of different setups. You can actually use like a wishbone type setup and keep your stock fuel tank where it's at, not have to move it. So I just ain't decided which way would be best. Let me know in the comment section what you think we should do, and I might actually do it. Don't know though. I am stubborn. Put the antenna back or weld it up. I don't know, might weld it up. But that's the little S10. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you did, of course. Leave me a comment. Let me know some ideas for this truck that you got and what you would do if it was yours. Besides putting in the comments, haul it to the scrapyard. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you ain't already. I appreciate the support. I'll see you on the next video.